we've gone for a walk to see the birds, all the rosellas and the king parrot. And now we're just going to go and have a little snack before dinner.
Life has been a little bit busy lately, and with Christmas just around the corner, it's only going to get busier. We've been craving time away in nature and needing the time to reconnect, explore, and simply be together as a family. So with a small window of time left before the festivities begin, we decided to nip away, making time to be together and squeezing in some more memories as a family before the year draws to an end.
So we had a pretty nice night last night, didn't we? In the safari tent. A little bit of rain overnight, but not too much. And we woke up, it was super foggy. I woke up at like 4 o'clock in the morning and the bird song was so pretty. And then we had breakfast, didn't we, little boy? Yeah, we had breakfast and all of the birds tried to join in, didn't they?
Yeah, it got a bit chaotic there for a few minutes.
What type of birds were they, Josh?
Beautiful king parrots, rosellas, bowerbirds.
Satin bowerbirds. The king parrot had a nibble of Josh's finger.
That's not fun.
But yeah, so it's a misty, drizzly sort of day up here, which is really beautiful. And we're going to try and get out for some family walks with our little toddler.
We set off through the beautiful subtropical rainforest at toddler pace, stopping along the way to look at pretty leaves, interesting tree hollows, moss and vines, or to try and spot the birds that are singing beautiful songs from the canopy high above our heads. It's such a privilege to slow down, to see and enjoy things at a slower pace that you might not have otherwise seen.
So just stopping at the first lookout, aren't we? Oh, it's the second lookout, but our first lookout. And we can hear the waterfall flowing, can't we? We're having a little snack. And it's starting to rain, so we're going to start our walk back now. You ready to go back? Let's go. Come on, Daddy.
We stopped at the next lookout, watching the water tumble into the gorge below and the clouds drifting through the treetops. The air was fresh in our cheeks and you could feel that the rain was coming.
So the rain is getting a little bit heavier now and it's starting to come through even like the thicker layers of the rainforest. So We're walking pretty quickly all our way back. But we're pretty lucky at the viewpoints, weren't we, to have like no rain really. But yeah, pretty nice rainy day walk. And Hugo's walked about 3.5 k's and he's super tired and he's ready to go to sleep.
Makes it up so much easier.
Yeah. Josh is carrying the whole weight of an extra person on his shoulders. So we are all back from our walk now, and we've just been chilling out for a little bit, and now we're having some lunchtime, aren't we? And it's raining in our little safari tent, and the birdies are coming and visiting us on the veranda, and we're all snuggly, aren't we? Feeling refreshed and rejuvenated from some days away in this magical place, it was time to pack up our memories, the tent and the car, and head home. So we are all packed up and we're heading home. Today is a really wet day today, isn't it?
Yes.
And it's so pretty driving through the rainforest. It's all foggy and misty, very moody and atmospheric. So yeah, enjoy the trail while we drive back down the mountain. While bigger trips further afield are always exciting and grand, there's something uniquely special about a micro adventure close to home. There is a real beauty in a small adventure and a wonderful simplicity that we enjoy, especially with a toddler in tow. A few days away, the gift of time together, freedom away from the day-to-day, disconnecting from technologies, reconnecting with each other, refocusing, and returning home refreshed with wonderful memories for a lifetime. We really hope you enjoyed coming along with us on our micro-adventure to Lamington National Park. Let us know if you enjoyed it and subscribe so you can come along with us next time.